In this lesson, we're doing some practice questions for squares and cubes. The first question, write down the first 6 square numbers and the first 4 cube numbers. Square numbers multiply a whole number by itself, so we will square the first 6 numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first 6 square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. The second part of the question wants us to cube the first 4 numbers. That means multiplying the number by itself 3 times. And we'll do this for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first 4 cube numbers are 1, 8, 27, and 64. Hope you got that right. Second question, find the value of 15 squared and 8 squared. 15 squared is the same as 15 times 15. Which will give you 225. 8 cubed is 8 times 8, which gives you 64. And multiplying that by 8 again, because cubed means 3 times, you get 512. Question 3. A class has 12 students. Each is given 12 pencils. Show that the total number of pencils is a square number. For us to know the total number of pencils, we have to multiply the 12 students with the 12 pencils that each of them has. And this gives us 144. And that is a square number because we've multiplied 12 by itself. A cube has a side length of 11 centimeters. So we know a cube has the same length, height, and width. Calculate its volume. The volume of a cube, the volume of anything, is length times width times height. And since a cube has equal sides, it's the same as saying 11 cubed. So that's 11 times 11. We get 121. We'll multiply that by 11 again, and you get 1,331 cubic centimeters. The second part of the question is the area of one face is a square number, and you need to show this. So, area of any shape is length times width, but we know for a square that both sides are the same, so this will be the same as saying 11 squared, which is 121. And 121 is a square number. Now for the last question, which one is greater, 25 squared or 10 cubed? So for this, we have to square 25. This gives us 625. And then 10 cubed is 10 times 10, gives us 100 times 10 again, and that gives us 1000. And obviously 1000 is greater than 625. So that means 10 cubed is greater.